want to do you know. New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Attack.
Bless up on yourself, my people. Big up on yourself. Big up. I don't want to say, yo, when New Link, they want to say New Link from day one go on with New Link. Well, people, New Link just keeping it. You know the thing. Too much attacking sometime. So New Link that's a easy back in the car. Them say, yo, I go on a New Link. You know what I say? You soon can touch road again and go. So, alright. Well, people, yo, I go on now. I was reading an article. I don't know New Link is a boy. I love reading the article. And once I was the article, I'm interesting. New Link is sure to do my viewers and my subscribers. You know what I'm doing. Go. So, people, reading this article now, Zine, and it's a female writing to the counselor, the editor. She's 23 years old, and she talk a dramatic thing will go on in her life now, and she needs some advice. Right, this female from in Kingston, so she's 23, right? She have a boyfriend for over 2 years, 23 years old as well, right? She said she in a good job because she works with the government. Well, her boyfriend, she said, do construction work with his dad because him dad is a big contractor, have different property about the place and thing. You have a look of food there, yeah. So people, she said now, the one little thing we kind of bother her is she want better for her boyfriend because she encourage her boyfriend, say, you know what, say you can go back a UTech and thing and, go UTech and thing and, you know what I mean, go do some degree thing and some, because she said the youth have 4 CXC subject. Which she said the youth don't really have a problem to go about him think about financial wise and thing which the father do say, because I work with the father do construction work, the father do say, well, it's a good thing when the argument do go to the father and the father say, hey, right now, say, when I get paid, me take half and give and put the next half towards the school if you want that. Well, people, she say after that, so be so done, youth still not there, youth can think. But she said the biggest problem that's messing up our relationship and damaging our relationship because she said she love this youth so much because the youth treat her good, the youth never hit her, the youth not cheat on her, the youth makes she feel loving, care, attention, everything. But she said it's just one problem that it people are come for damage it and mess it up, and it's just this stalker who won't leave the people in relationship alone. She said she have this girl, people. She don't have her. This girl in the community where them live, people. She said this girl don't have texted on her boyfriend. She said this girl tell her boyfriend be things about her. Said she's not a good girl for both and she a cheat on him. But she know said deep inside she not cheat on him. But the girl who go tell the man them something there for him have up this thing against her and maybe leave her and break up a relationship because they want her for herself. So she comes up and do say a message from the girl in the youth phone say, yo, if him want to send her some nude pictures and thing, but the youth response was no. So the youth see her and tell her, say, yo, she no want that and this and that. So the girl invite the youth a party and I tell him, say, say you can come a party with me and thing because, you live boring and you're young youth to enjoy your life and this and that and that. So she say right now, people, she fed up at this stalker girl. Why this girl don't leave her alone, leave her relationship alone and everything. But she said she know deep inside the youth now fall for it. But the problem with about her is she not the end. What she has to people if the youth want go to her, if you go on because she said she talk to her mother and her mother say the girl not on her level and she know her worth. So she know to make this girl try to make she go down and stress out and something because right now she has stress out over it and worry herself. So this girl maybe go do something and take her man from her. But not the end, people, she said they are still together. The youth don't go UTech it, but he's considering for go UTech, which she do want him because she want better for him and her when they do have their family and kids and everything. You understand? So story say, so story done. So New Link I got talk now, people. To be honest, what me I go say to this girl is on a real level, and a real level. See? Well, honestly, your man look nice, right? Your man, a nice boy, a good youth, and everything. Listen what me I say. To be honest with you, if you never look good, if treated good in her face, if he no woman would want to try to talk to him. You understand? So in the end, you can't stop woman from do like the man. But it's up to the man. And for you say the man response is no and the man keep on pushing that girl away, well, don't feel, you know what I mean, don't have that bunge like you go bother him too much and nag him about it. Just know that the man love you and you and him together, you know. You don't find out say much cheat on you or nothing like that, so you shouldn't make it be a bother to you and stress you. Well, if the man do want to go back to school and, you know what I mean, you do come together, well, so be so done, you know what I mean, make him go back to school and everything will be good. But don't worry about that girl, because even if she stop there, other girls maybe see him. Even when him go to school, we are not seeing 24/7 at this girl. I go look him same way, so you can't go stop that. So in the end, you must do trust the man. Man trust you. If you see the man go out of the way and go do something, then there's problem. But once you keep on an eye about it, because in the end, people should say the man even get upset the other day when she talk about the girl and the man say, stop telling me about that and get mad pan her and something more. We say she not want that. You know what I mean? So in the end, you just have to fix what you want and you don't know the thing. But my advice to that stalker girl, leave the people them alone. Make the couple people enjoy their relationship, man. What you about teen for? You see thing I go on, go that thing I go on there. So you want to mess you up for, man. Want to look a plate between you. You want to look a plate. Go use a plate go somewhere else, no, man. Can your plate go out this, no, man? What we are drive mess up this with a plate for, man? Come on, man. Leave it alone, man. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. So you don't know what you think of, people. This is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack, attack. If you don't subscribe, subscribe now. Now. Peace out.